Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Otherskin game crashing at startup, not launching, not loading, lagging, freezing, showing black screen error on PC. So let's go. So the first method is to restart your PC as well as Steam. So to start Steam, just go to Steam, click on Steam option and then click on exit option over here. After that, click on Windows icon, then click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your system. So after your system restarts, now try to launch the game and see if this works. If not, the next solution is to update graphics card. So for that, go to search option, search for device manager. Now go below and expand display adapters, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So it's saying the best drivers for your device are already installed, so no need to worry. If there is any update, you simply need to update your drivers and after that launch the game and see if it solves the issue. Nvidia and AMD users, just go through the link that I provided in the description and update your graphics card from there, and after that launch the game and see if it works. Next is to modify launch option. So for that, you have to go to Steam. Under library section, select your game and then right click on it, click on properties, and under general here you need to type -dx11 and then launch the game and see if it works. If not, type -dx12 and now check if this solution resolves the issue. Next is to check for game update. So for that, go to the Steam and under library select your game, and here you should check if there is any update available for the game. If there is any update, simply update your game to the latest version and then try to launch the game and see if it works. Next solution is to run game as administrator. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, then click on browse local files, and this will take you to the game folder where it has been installed. Now select the game application, right click on it, click on properties, then click on compatibility, and here you need to select run this program as an administrator and then hit on apply and OK. Now launch the game and check if it works. If not, click on run this program in compatibility mode 4, select Windows 8 or Windows 7 and then click on apply and OK. Now launch the game and see if it works. If not, click on disable full screen optimizations and then hit on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and see if this solution resolves the issue. Next is to allow the game through firewall. So for that, go to the search option, search for Windows Defender Firewall. Now click on allow an app or feature. Now click on change settings, and here you should check for the game if it's listed over here. Now search for the game. In my case, it's already listed. If not, then go to allow another app. From the browse section, go to the game folder where it has been installed, and from here you simply need to select and add it to the list. After this, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and click on OK. And after this, try to launch the game and see if this helps to fix the problem. Next solution is to update Windows. For that, go to Windows search, search for check for updates. This will take you to the Windows update page where you can see if there is any update available. You need to click on check for updates and it will check if there is any update available, and after that launch the game and see if it works for you. Next solution is to stop overclock CPU and GPU settings. So sometimes overclocking makes the CPU or GPU unstable, so you are suggested to check if there is any overclocking of CPU or GPU in the background. If it so, then stop it, and after that check if the problem is fixed or not. Next solution is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, now click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So after verifying the game files on Steam, now check if the issue is resolved. Next solution is to check graphic settings of the game. So when your graphic settings are not properly set up, like texture quality, resolutions or other things, then it can directly impact the game and you cannot play it. So it's suggested to lower the graphic settings and then launch the game and see if this helps to fix the issue. Next is to disable in-game overlays. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, and under general you have the option enable the Steam overlay while in game. You simply need to click on this and it will be disabled. So after it get disabled, now launch the game and see if it works. Similarly, for GeForce Experience, open GeForce Experience, click on the gear icon beside username, then click on general, and from here you can switch off in-game overlay option. After that, see if this has resolved the issue. Next is to close unnecessary background tasks. So for that, go to search bar, search for task manager, and here you need to search for those apps which is of no use and running in the background. Just select them. After selecting, right click on it and click on end task. So this will close the app that is running in the background, and after that check if the game is launching or not. Next is to install Visual C++ files. So for that, I have provided the link in the description. Just copy it and paste it in your browser. So now go below, and from here you need to download the Visual C++ files on your PC, and after downloading, install it and then check if the issue is fixed or not. Next is to run game on dedicated graphics card. For that, go to search bar, search for graphics settings, and here look for the game if it's listed. If not, click on add desktop app, then go to the game where it has been installed, select your game, click on add, and it will be added over here. Now click on the arrow icon, under GPU preference select high performance, and after that launch the game and see if this resolves the problem. If not, final solution is to reinstall the game. For that, go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on manage, then click on uninstall, and finally click on uninstall once again. So after removing the game from your system, restart your PC once. After that reinstall the game and then try to play it and see if this has resolved the problem. So these are few suggested solutions that will fix the crashing or not launching or other issues on Otherskin game on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.